Oh hey, welcome to another edition of hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains with Socrates. Today we're looking at TTX Boxcar. I think it's about a 60-foot boxcar. Fairly classic car, you see it a lot. This ends up having 5 colors because I made the roof the same color as one of the two. In this case I used blue, but you could just as easily do it in red. In fact, the red ends up a little quicker so you have enough time to change it. At that point, once it's on a different color, you just pull out the color, the blue or the red, and put the white into it, and then you get your 5th color into it. It has a basic bottom piece. All the ribs and such are on a separate piece. Snaps into it. I use micro trains, couplers, medium shank couplers for all my cars. They should be nice and loose on the bottom. And color the thing is pretty easy in Bambu. The only thing you have to keep in mind is that I made it so it's hollow to keep it relatively light. But to do that, I have a couple angle pieces in there. So you want to start with the color of the body when you make the coloring in Bambu, because otherwise there's little angles that end up being a separate color, and you'll have meaningless color changes to make an interior part a different color. So basically start with the yellow, and then you can click on the colors and drag it across the colors or the text to make them all in a red, and then the individual pieces to make the logo colors as well. You can almost read it, almost not read it. It says Railcar Pooling Experts. You can just about make it out. I could make it bigger, but I wanted it to be as small as possible, and you can sort of see it. It has a nice little roof detail. Like I say, it is hollow inside. I might include a version that if you want to make it solid as well, you can. And it's a nice little boxcar. Really quite pleased with it. It has running numbers as well. It has how many running numbers? That many running numbers. And get it on cults, put yourself up some boxcars, pull some loads, make some money. Freight train. Thanks for watching. Check it out next time. This was hand-laid tracks and 3D printed trains. Made another boxcar because boxcars are pretty cool. They don't rhyme well, but they're still pretty cool. Boxcar trains. Chainsaw.